Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Radhika. I hope you all are doing good and in today's video we will be discussing the science lesson plan on the topic metals and non-metals. In the previous videos we have discussed some of the science lesson plans that was on the different topic, and today we are taking a different topic. Okay, so topic for today's video is metals and non-metals. As I have already told you that first we take general entries. जनरल एंट्रीज में हमारी डेट आती है, देन क्लास के बाद सब्जेक्ट, पीरियड, chapter name and duration and the topic. So the topic for today's lesson plan is chemical properties of a metal की क्या chemical properties होती हैं. This is the topic for today's lesson plan. Then we write general objectives. After that, specific objectives come from certain domains. We have taken the domain knowledge, comprehension and application. We have taken the objectives from 3 domains. Okay, you can take any domain, whatever you like. There is no foundation on that. After that, previous knowledge. In previous knowledge, I have already told you, previous knowledge includes all the topics which a student already knows related to today's topic. So the previous knowledge is students know about the use of metals in daily life and their physical properties. Metals का use daily life में और उनकी properties, physical properties. Okay, ये है previous knowledge. After that हम शुरू करते हैं introduction से. Introduction में आता है people teacher activity, students activity and whiteboard work. So the first question is, which physical property of metal makes possible to convert aluminium into aluminium foil? And then the students will give the answer, malleability. Then question next, why do we use metals in the making of frying pan? Because metals are good conductor of heat. Why metals are used to make bells? Because they are sonorous in nature, they produces sound. Why the machine and the things made up of metal needs to be painted or polished? Now this is the problematic question, and this problematic question becomes the statement of aim. So our statement of aim is, today we will study about chemical properties of metals when it comes in contact with water and air. जब कोई metal के water या फिर air के contact में आता है, तब उस पर क्या क्या reactions होते हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं chemical properties. Okay, so here comes the first teaching point, reaction of metals with water, and the teaching method is inductive method. Inductive method as you already know, उसमें पहले हम examples लेते हैं, उसके बाद method पे. तो I am not reading each question, you can see it. And if you are facing any problem in any of the questions or anything, you can ask me in the comment section. Here comes the pupil teacher statement. In this we have shown a video to the students, and the link for the video is given here. Then students will observe the video and the teacher will ask the questions related to the video. Now comes the evaluation question. There are 3 questions in the evaluation part. Now next teaching point, reaction of metals with oxygen. इसमें हमने यूज़ किया deductive method. This is deductive method and the teaching point is reaction of metals with oxygen. Again a video is shown to the students and based on it questions are asked. Now the evaluation part. Recapitulation questions. I have already told you recapitulation में कौन से questions आते हैं, जो भी हमने फर्स्ट और सेकंड टीचिंग पॉइंट्स में कवर करे हैं वो सारे questions recapitulation में आते हैं. Then comes the home assignment. So this was all about the today's lesson plan. Then the topic of today's lesson plan was which chapter we were discussing? Metals and non-metals. The name of the chapter was metals and non-metals and the topic was chemical properties of metal. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.